Good morning, folks. This is a little bit of an update. I recently purchased and unboxed a Make It Mini food, and at first I was quite impressed. Made a little cake with sprinkles, and I just wanted to do a quick follow-up. So the icing did set. It is hard, but the sprinkles do still fall out everywhere. The cake itself is still gooey, like a squishy, you know, it's not sticky and it's set, but it's still squishy. The little bit that I left in the bowl, it is now the 15th, is still squished into shape and sticky. Now, yuck. I have purchased another one, but yuck. I probably will throw that. It's too ick for me. So this is my little follow-up video. I'll probably keep the little bowl and the plate that the cake's on. The cake itself, yuck. I think it will actually attract bugs. I'm not sure what it's made of. It's leaking sprinkles everywhere. It's kind of gross. I liked the idea at first. I thought that would be great, but in the end it just grosses me out. So I have another one here. I think it's the same series. I know it's a mini-verse. Let's open this one and see what we get. This one is series 3. Yeah, let's give it a go and see what this one is. I like this idea better than the resin that never sets. Those sets are horrid. The Harry Potter one was horrid. I ended up putting my own resin over the top to try and get a seal on the sticky resin that wouldn't set. There is a video somewhere on YouTube about that too. I'll put in the comments what number it is. Fun, but ick factor. Do I normally keep the mini-verse? Yes, I normally do. I do usually just make them for myself, not on camera. Occasionally I will make them on camera. People send me messages. Let's just have a look what we got first. So that is ice. 1, 2. Oops, I ripped that one. 3, 4, 5. So let's have a look, see what we got before I decide whether I'm even going to build it. Okay. So that is our chopsticks, I'd say. Our tongs and our little ball that goes in top of that one. Ooh, a mold. Interesting. Flat mold. And there's the lid. Okay. There is our resin with our little nozzle. One I ripped. I've got that to open it, and cute little bits of strawberry. And a mini with a couple of slits in it, like a little stand. Let's have a look, see what we got. No, not the novel with all the warnings. What did we get? Okay. did we get? Oh, ice blocks of some sort, maybe. Ice blocks. Oh, mango pops. There it is there. Okay. Cute. Right. Comes with sticks. Okay, so let's open this for a sec. Pull it out. Reek. Put it together. Oh, it doesn't join up. I reckon that's going to leak. I'm not sure if you can see down there. It doesn't quite join. And then you would put your goodies in there. Put the little lid on. And then you poke your sticks in before you set it. Whatever you reckon, folks. I think that this might be put away for another day because I reckon that's going to leak, and I have quite a few others to make today. I unbox today, and I might do a little follow-up video if I do end up building it. I'll probably put some tape around it. Cute, yep. There is plenty of other ones to collect in this series. I wouldn't mind the pickles. Pickles look cute. Jar of pickles. Any of the drinks probably be cute. Choco Bear Pops. Interesting. Oh yeah, okay. So anyway, that's my little rant about these guys. Ones with the alternative to the resin. The resin itself I found never set properly. The alternative, well, I enjoyed making it and it was handy. I was able to make a nice cut that actually looks like cake. It's still, I don't know. I'm just going to throw it, I think. It's just not me. I'm not sure. It's a bit like slime on my slime list now. Alright guys, I'm going to go because I have another Make It Miniverse, the new Make It Mini Nature to film next. So I'm going to go. I'll see you later. Hopefully you'll catch the next one. Bye.